team leaders, I'm going to take you through the sample SLO discussion that we're utilizing the SMART goal for. So if I was a team leader, I would begin with asking my team to determine their overall standard that they might be interested in to explore this and improve this year. For measurable, you can either ask me or go back to your previous SLO if you had utilized the same standard from the year before. Attainable, we'll get to that in a minute, and relevant here, so why does your team feel that this skill is an important skill? And then lastly, time bound. These are just reminders as to when you should ask me to pull your data or when I will be requesting that your data be ready.